Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I was at Ulta the other day and I picked up the new Avengers palette. So this is the Ulta collab with Avengers. It's their Ulta Beauty Avengers collection. So I couldn't wait to try it out for myself and do a look today. So that's what I went ahead and did. And I also have some surprises for you beauties that I'm going to talk about from Jeffree Star. Something exciting that I can't wait to tell you guys about. And I do have a surprise pop-up giveaway for you guys too in the video, so keep watching to see what I have in store for you beauties and my tutorial for this look. And definitely please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It helps me out so much. And to take part in all my giveaways, all you have to do is be a subscriber. So definitely go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm online. And definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would really appreciate it so much. So guys, just keep watching to see my Avengers collection makeup tutorial today and hear all about the surprises that I have in store for you beauties from Jeffree Star and all kinds of other good stuff. So keep watching it. Just keep watching. So I was just at Ulta the other day and they have come out with the Avengers palette. So this is the Ulta Avengers collection. So I have it here right on the outside. It says courageous, tenacious, fearless, and legendary. So that's pretty awesome. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So it's gonna be my first time using it and I thought it would be really fun to play with it with you guys. So here they are. So you're getting 15 pieces in total, 15 different eyeshadows. They go for about 0.3 ounces and 10.5 grams of product in here. So that's pretty awesome. These are really different. I would not normally reach for these colors, so I thought that'd be a lot of fun because these are not colors that I have been reaching for whatsoever. And some of these are really different. Like Hero Vibes is like a burnt orange, yet it has gold flecks in it. Game Changer, a stunning bronze gold, but more bronze than a traditional. That Legend looks gorgeous. Fearless looks gorgeous. So I'm not exactly sure what kind of look to do. I was going to do green. So I think I'll do that, but because that Hero Vibes looks so gorgeous. So now I'm torn. But I'll do a green. I'll use the greens today, even though Hero Vibes is calling my name. But you know, gotta pick one. So well, I just did a similar look like that the other day. I feel like kind of pink and gold, so I'd rather reach for these greens because I never use green shades like this. So let's just go ahead and start playing and have fun. That's what it's all about, guys, right? I'm just gonna reach right in to, I've got this. It just looks super white and bright and shimmery, and I love that on my brow bone. So I'm just going to put that right on my brow bone. Ooh, that's so bright. I just put it in my tear duct area. It's super bright because my base is so bright. It's not really showing up, but when I put it in my tear duct, wow. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. That is like blinding. I'm addicted to this color, seriously. That is gorgeous. So now I'm going to take Smash on a short hair fluffy brush. This is my Jeffree Star. Just pack that right on my lid. Ooh, oh my god. Are you serious? Guys, do you see that? Oh my god. That's 2 taps. It's crazy. Wow. That is so pigmented, so creamy. That's insane. Oh my god. I can't wait for more. Is there more Ulta collections out? Because I'm definitely gonna purchase them. This is like seriously amazing. And it's such a unique color too. It's very unique. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It's like a really great combination between a matte. It looks matte, but then it has a hint of shimmer. So speaking of Jeffree Star, guys, oh my god, did you see the Jeffree Star video the other day? I'm so heartbroken for Jeffree Star. How they stole all of the concealers from the Jeffree Star warehouse. So thankfully, I believe Jeffree said that they have insurance. So, you know, but it's just, can you just imagine how horrible that is? I can't even imagine. And apparently, did they say they believe that it was somebody that, you know, maybe worked at their facility or had inside knowledge and things like that. So I can't even imagine how devastating that must have been. And apparently they got everything on their video, on their security videos, so they saw the thieves going in, stealing everything. And now apparently they are seeing people popping up on Facebook that have gotten the product, have gotten the magic concealers. That's Jeffree's concealers that they were coming out with. And apparently they're selling them black market makeup, but they're on Facebook selling the magic, you know, Jeffree Star stolen concealers. That is so crazy. You know, guys, I feel almost, I'm not really sure what's going on here, because I've seen so many crazy things going on Facebook, and you know, it really scares me because I see a lot of young girls doing a lot of illegal things on Facebook, I hate to say, and I'm like, do these girls know that they could go to jail for this? Like, I sometimes wonder, because I have seen people doing some crazy things, and they look to me to be like young moms at home, and I'm like, maybe they don't know. They think it's just makeup and they're just, you know, kind of playing, maybe they think they're playing around, but it's so serious, because people are really going to go to jail for selling, you know, black market makeup, counterfeit, you know, stolen goods. And I just sometimes think that maybe they don't, some people, I'm not saying the people that were in charge of the, you know, the initial heist, of course they are, you know, professionals, you know, they're doing this for a living, but I mean, I think they possibly get it into the hands of a lot of young girls, or, you know, young women, or young people that maybe don't know how serious this is, and that they can go to jail for it, for selling stolen goods. I don't know that a lot of people realize that, because I've seen some crazy things, like I said, on Facebook. I feel like I see a lot of things that I look and I'm like, do these girls realize they could go to jail for doing this? I'm not gonna say anything, of course, but I just think to myself, if anybody sees this and like at Facebook or reports them, I'm not speaking about Jeffree Star, I'm speaking about other things that I've seen, similar things. Like I seen one girl, I don't even think people realize, but I have heard, I saw it like in the newspaper or something where I live, and a girl was selling counterfeit purses, and they actually put her in jail for that, because I guess somebody reported her. But you know, a lot of people don't realize that you can get in a lot of trouble for selling counterfeit goods and things like that. And I saw it like in a newspaper. This is just something that I just saw, like I said, in the newspaper. But it's like, to me, I don't know if that's the case with Jeffree Star, but it's just really scary, you know, what's going on out there. But with that being said, kudos to Jeffree Star, because those magic concealers look so amazing, and I can't wait to purchase one now. They just looked, how gorgeous were they? Did you guys see them? But they looked amazing, and you know, all my Jeffree Star products are so bomb. You know, they always come out with the best formulations with the lips, the eyeshadows. So I can't imagine that the concealers and the Jeffree Star face products are not going to be amazing as well. So I can't wait now to get them. That cap with the star, and it's just stunning how Jeffree put it together. So go for Jeffree, because come on, they looked amazing. But Jeffree was showing on the video, these, you know, young girls apparently got a hold of these black market makeup items and were selling them on Facebook. And guys, don't even buy them if you see them or anything. If anybody messages you, don't even write back, because I know they'll message us. Like I get so, like everybody, we get so many messages on, I get a lot of crazy messages on my Instagram. A lot of people don't think that anybody's like, I guess, paying attention, or they think Instagram and Facebook is like nobody's paying attention. No, they're paying attention. People are, you know, there's definitely people that are watching, and and God knows who else. Like if somebody just reports you or whatever, you know, for buying counterfeit or selling, you know, you'll get in a lot of trouble. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my Anastasia glitter glue. I was just using that same color that whole time, Smash, because I'm so in love with it. So I'm just taking my Anastasia glitter glue. So this is something I did the other day, and I just loved how it came out. So I'm just gonna use I use this with just a shimmer too. So I'm gonna reach into Legend, and Legend just looks like a gorgeous blue shimmer. So I'm gonna reach right in while my glitter glue is wet with a really small brush. And I'm just gonna tap that right. Ooh, Ooh, oh my god. That is so gorgeous. This is shockingly amazing. This is shockingly the best. Like, honest to God, guys, I don't even know what possessed me to buy this, because to be honest, I'm not. I don't really watch Avengers, or, oh my god, I'm so absolutely shook. I just was playing around the other day, and I said, you know what, let me just use my glitter glue just with shadows, not just with glitter. And it came out so gorgeous. So that's what inspired me to start doing that. So if you guys do that, you'll be shocked how stunning your shadows come out. If you can use your, like I said, use your glitter glue with not just glitter. Use it with your shimmers, especially the Anastasia, because I love that because it's like a water. It's very lightweight. So now I'm dipping into Reassemble, and I'm just going to tap that right on my outer portion. Oh my god, guys, I was not expecting this whatsoever. This is so, these Ulta shadows are seriously more than amazing. So that's like a navy blue color. Guys, let me know if Ulta has come out with other collections before, because like I said, this is my first time trying Ulta eyeshadows from the Ulta brand. Oh my god, I'm so in shock. This is like literally amazing. It's like, seriously. Guys, I gotta tell you something else. I got the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I got 2 of them. I can't believe it. So I signed up for alerts. And I set my alarm and everything on my phone. That's how I got it. So I am going to, as soon as it gets here, I'm just going to wait for it to get here, just because, you know, in case there's some kind of issue. I don't know what kind of issue there could be, but, you know, in case for some reason they write me and say that they're not sending it, you know, I just want to be on the safe side. But I did get it, guys, and so I am going to be having a giveaway for that very soon, so be on the lookout. And I also got the lip collection. I actually purchased it, and then it was in my cart, and then I was going to pay for it, and the palette, I purchased the palette, it was in my cart on Beautylish, and I was checking out, and then I went to check out, and it was gone. They were like, you know, they wouldn't let me purchase. They said you can't purchase it. It was sold out. But then I saw that they had the collection. So they had the whole, you know, collection where you could buy, you know, the lip set and all that. So I got a lip set too for a giveaway. So I got eyeshadow, and I got the Blue Blood eyeshadow and the Blue Blood's lip for a giveaway. So be on the lookout for that soon, guys, because I cannot wait. Even in Jeffree Star's video where he discussed what happened, how his makeup was stolen, how his concealers were stolen. Guys, this is a 24/7 Glide On pencil from Urban Decay. A lot of you guys know I'm obsessed with these. This is a green one, LSD. So funny. But I imagine that Jeffree was wearing Blue Blood in that video, and not to be, you know, trivial about it, but Jeffree's makeup looked so good in that video. I was like, girl, I cannot wait till your palette gets here, because that makeup was so gorgeous. So guys, I'm gonna go work on the other eye. I'm gonna do my face, and I'll be back for us to do a lip together. I do have a surprise giveaway for you guys. I've just loved doing that in all my videos now as much as possible. So I'll be back with the giveaway, and guys, so I'll be right back, guys. So I put on some bronzer, and let's see, oh, I got my Private Society Cosmetics, the Glow Getter palette here. Oh my god. These are all different highlighters, and you can use them also to bronze and warm up your face, and they're just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to put some of these on my eyes. I'm going to take this shade here, Candyland, or no, Ice Queen. I'm going to use Ice Queen. I'm going to pop that right in my tear duct. And you can just mix these all together and just make the most outrageous effects of life. So guys, now finally we're going to do the lip. And I thought, since I'm talking about Jeffree so much today, I was going to use my Jeffree Star lipstick in Butt Naked. And I got this. I had gotten this a while ago, but this is from Soirmé. This is so inexpensive, but they're very hard to find, but it's amazing. And then let's go in with Jeffree Star Butt Naked. So guys, I also got this the other day. This is the MAC Dazzle Glass in Goldie Rocks. So I'm just going to pop some of this on because I just love gloss right now. I know a lot of you beauties said you are hooked on gloss right now, so you can skip this if you want. But oh my god, how can you resist these lips? How can we resist lip gloss? It feels so good. So beauties, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I cannot recommend more this Avengers eyeshadow palette. And although I haven't tried my Blue Bloods palette yet, this is a similar look to what I was planning to do with my Blue Bloods. So if you can't get your hands on the Blue Blood, this might be an amazing option for that kind of look. You know, it's a little similar. Especially that blue shade. I think it was Legendary. You know, once I started playing with Legend, it's called. Oh my god. It's like very reminiscent to me of the kind of look I was going to use for my Blue Blood. But we'll see when Blue Bloods get here. I know Blue Bloods, I think it's sold out. So if you can't get the Blue Bloods, this might be an amazing option for you. And it was $20, and if you have any points like I did, I got it for, actually I got it for $9, so I had $11 points. The shadows are so creamy, so gorgeous, so pigmented. It's like really amazing. So let me know if you guys have heard about any other Ulta eyeshadow collections, because I would love to buy them. These are so amazing. I gotta try more. So guys, for my surprise giveaway today, I did get you beauties the Avengers matte liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Out of This World. So I am going to be including a few other things with this giveaway. I will post it on Instagram though in my stories. So make sure you check my Instagram stories and I'll pick the winner next week. But I did have a few other items to go with that. So just, guys, I'm traveling still and everything is so crazy. You have no idea. If you could see where I'm at right now, you would not believe your eyes. So let me know what you guys think of this Avengers makeup. Will you be picking it up? How do you feel about the whole Jeffree Star horrific makeup, stolen makeup from Jeffree Star, his stolen magic concealers, this black market makeup that is just like, just so horrible. And please, dolls, if they contact you, because I'm sure they will, they contact all of us on Instagram, on Facebook, trying to sell their stuff. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Definitely comment below if you'd like to take part in my giveaway. Just comment your Instagram. Let me know the best way to reach you. Subscribe to my channel to be entered in this giveaway and all my future giveaways. I have huge monthly giveaway. I have pop-up giveaways all the time. So it's just lots of good times and fun here on my channel. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you're all doing good. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.